long distance relationship. This story is all about Amor and Annie. Story begins right from college days when they were friends. With time, their bonding got so strong that Amor fell in love with Annie. The day he decided to show his feelings, but he got a job offer from USA and also to be shifted over there. Still he managed to propose her in airport and Annie finally nodded her head by saying yes. Every day they call, chat, also video call, used every medium to be in contact as if long distance was a small thing. Year passed, Amor got promoted with his new designation. With increased in workload, Amor found difficult to contact Annie. Finally, Annie decided she wants to meet Amor at any point. So she called Amor during his lunchtime. In this point, instead of rejecting the call, Amor took his 20 minutes of lunch in talking with her. Amor missed the lunch and got to his work again. Some time later, Annie texted him, "Please call urgently." Amor replied, "Not now, I am at work." Annie said, "Please tell your boss urgent for washroom." So Amor did as she said. After calling her, Annie said, "You missed your lunch for me and I totally forgot and called you at that very moment." Amor said, "I will have it after my working hour." Annie insisted him in such a soft and lovely voice. Instead of rejecting, he said, "Let's have together." Switching on video call, they had their food. Saying, "I love you," they both hung up the call. When Amor came back into his cabin, he saw his boss with his colleagues. So he asked, "But what the moment?" Boss announced, "Happy to say we are starting a new branch in India. So the star performer will get a chance to work in India." So Amor didn't want to lose the big chance. So he worked hard day and night. After few months, result declared, but his colleague got selected. So he felt very bad and was on his way out of office. Boss asked him, "Where are you going?" He replied with disappointment, "At home." With a smile, boss told, "In packing, do you need any help? Please let us know." Amor was confused and asked why. Boss told, "Buddy, you are too selected. You have achieved more than anybody over here in just few months. You brought lot of business over here. So, you both are given this opportunity to get transfer in India." After knowing this, Amor was so happy and he danced with full of enjoyment. Amor decided to give Annie a surprise. At that night, Annie called him, mentioning her friend Sam is getting married, with a coincidence on the same date when Amor is to land in India. So he called Sam, the person who used to be best friends on those days. Sam rejected few calls on his, but finally picked, saying, "I don't know Amor, who left me at a span of 4 years. Amor laughed and talked a while after mentioning he will be back in India on his wedding date. Then he said his surprise plan. Sam said, "Anything for you, brother." The day when Amor came to the venue, he didn't mention to Annie anything. Hiding somewhere, looking at Annie with her friends. So he ran and just helped Annie from the back. Annie felt discomfort and she pushed, but after seeing Amor for a moment, she freezed. Then she hugged him so tightly, the moment was so important for them. They attended the marriage together, met his friends and relatives who all gathered over there. Lastly, they two went a spot usually used to go, had her favorite shawarma and ice cream. Also decided what to do in this weekend. They shared every moment when they were missing each other. Amor promised by kneeling in front of her that he will never leave her side. So, love is not all about long distance or the person whom we are in touch. It's all matters of patience, trust, loyal for the one. Whatever is the situation, never break that relation. Just think of the special one. Loves you. They will never break. And if it breaks, then my friend, there was no love. So be together. Hurdles are always on way. Just hold hands and enjoy in every way. Because distance doesn't matter if two hearts are loyal to each other. So, from this story, I got to learn things. Friends, what do you learn? Let me know in the comment section.